Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to back you up a little bit so you can see what the heck we're doing. Yeah, hopefully you saw Tuesday's video, and hopefully this one is coming out on Thursday. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so on Tuesday's video I used some metal dies, as well as a impression folder to make some silicone inserts. This one did not turn out great. There's still a lot of like teeny tiny little bits of extra silicone attached to this, and it's so thin and flimsy. I don't think it's going to work all that well as far as getting it into the thing, unless you put it down into the mold first and then you pour your resin on top of it. I don't think it's going to be a good idea, but we gave it a try. Okay, now I took this set of metal dies from Cat Scrappiness, and it comes with a base that you would cut out of one color, and then the words that you would cut out of another color, right, with paper typically. I made a silicone base for this, and that's what this is. Merry Christmas. It's obviously backwards, and that's the way that we want it to be right now. So here's my plan, okay? I'm going to pour a thin layer of clear resin in. I'm going to inlay the Merry Christmas background in there, and I'm also going to inlay probably a couple of these tiny little snowflake inlays that we added. Okay, once that cures and I remove this, the next step is going to be making a resin Merry Christmas using my UV resin. Hopefully that'll work, and then we can take these words out and then lay those in as well. So now that I'm thinking about this, yes, no, I have it correct. Okay, so we will take the words out and they will lay in there like this, because this will be the front, so that's, you know, it says Merry Christmas that way. And so what I want to do is I want to use this insert and then use these, and then I'm going to probably dust these with some color, and I think I want to try, I just got this in as well. I had to order some more resin, and this was suggested to me on Amazon. The company is called Resin. Ooh. Resin. This is the holographic ultra fine laser blue glitter. So let me get that out. Or actually, you know what? I changed my mind. I'm going to dust the snowflakes in this Resin holographic glitter. And then this is going to be in the base. It's going to be the entire background. I think that would be super pretty. As for the Merry Christmas, I'm not sure what color I want to do for that yet. I might want to do a red, but I'm not sure. So that we're going to come back to. But it's going to be in UV resin, so it's got to be like a see-through color anyway. But yeah, we're going to give this glitter a try. Let me not open this over top of this mold and get glitter everywhere. Just curious. It feels nice and full. So let's see. Oh yeah, that's good and full. Okay. That's beautiful. Okay. So that's the plan. Hopefully this can be done by Thursday. I'm hoping. Today's Monday, so we'll see how it goes. But yes, I've got my resin warming up now, so I just need to lay in the layer of clear and then add these little pieces. I am going to cut this off of here And I will probably use these 3 little snowflakes. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm excited. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. This is the J. Diction Christmas tree, or well, I guess it's just a tree mold. But I filled it with resin instead of Resin-Crete. Again, I'm expecting a lot of bubbles because although I squeezed so much, I don't rightly expect that all of the bubbles have released or have exited. So, okay, actually it's not bad. It's better than I was expecting. Look, even the star is full. Got one right there, tiny one, and one right there. Yeah, not bad. Okay, that's cute. It's cute. Okay, and then I just had some of the leftover blue from today's video, so I just poured it into this mold, this little snowflake mold here. Very pretty. There's a little bit of cleanup needed, but yeah, okay. And those are today's bonus unmoldings. Okay, friends, here's the thing. When I took the silicone part out, you could clearly see there were some bubbles in the clear resin. I don't want to flip this over because I'm worried. Also, I forgot to put something in the snowflake holes, like some powder. But then I thought after that, sorry if you can hear somebody shooting over there, in a video game at least, because her TV is loud even though I asked her to turn it down. But then I thought, well, maybe it'll still look 3D because it's inside of the clear, even though it's the same color. But anyway, I'm not expecting this to be perfect, as I said. But I'm real excited to see how it looks. I do have a big bubble on the back, but okay. You know what? It's not bad. The snowflakes do look 3D on camera and in person. That's actually kind of a cool technique. I'm going to have to try that with something else. Yes, that's really, really cool. You can see like the depth to it. But look at how the Merry Christmas turned out. Isn't that so cute? You can't really see the base part of it at all. Also, some of the blue got under the white. I wonder how I could fix that, like how I could make that better. I don't know. Maybe next time, if I do this again, maybe next time what I need to do is after I lay the lettering down, right? Maybe I need to dust that the little inlay part with a different color and then pour the resin in. I do actually really, like, at first I was really mad at myself for forgetting to dust these snowflakes, but they actually look really, really cool. So yeah, I don't know. It's cute. Yes, it does still have bubbles. Yes, there's glitter. This actually turned out a hell of a lot better than I was thinking it was going to, so I'm very happy with this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.